Let's go over the 100% stack bar chart. So over here, it's really a handy way to compare a percentage that each value contributes to the total. So when we say total, it's more of a total of 100%. So over here, we have the table wherein the sales rep, right? The sales numbers for 3 consecutive years from 2012 to 2014. And then we can plot this on the graph and it will show us each sales representative's percentage breakdown per year. So you could see easily on which year is the biggest factor or contributor on the total sales for that person, right? So for this one, for Ian, you could see that 2013 is the biggest portion. And then let's say for John, roughly 2012 and 2013 are roughly the same, right? So it's a really handy way to see from a big picture on how it looks like. Delete this first, right? We want to get the same output. So let's just highlight our table. Let's go to Insert, go to Recommended Charts. Okay, let's just go to All Charts and go to Bar. And let's look for the 100% stack bar. Okay, now we have, it's showing 2 choices over here. So if we look here, it's gonna show the salespersons, right? And then this one is by year. And what we want is the salesperson. So make sure this one's the first one selected over here. Let's go OK. Right. And then we could just extend this and then just give it a name. Salesperson numbers. Just go X here. And then once we select the chart, you can also go to Chart Tools, Design, and make some changes on the final output on how you want it to look like. And with just that, our 100% stack bar chart is complete.